What are you doing right now?
Watching football.
You're watching a football game?
Packers game.
And where are we?
At Disney.
So we're sitting in the smoking area watching football?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, hold it. Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Just want to make sure we knew what we were doing here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Good thing we didn't stay home.
That's right, because I can catch football anywhere.
Right.
And this way, claim I took you to Disney.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Just making sure.
All right.
Thanks.
This is exactly how I wanted to spend my day. Watching football in the smoking section of Disneyworld.
Be nice.
Honest to God.
Hey everybody, so today I'm more home repairs. It's the dishwasher again. Our house is like, I don't know, 13, 14 years old, something like that, and it's all the original appliances, and they're all starting to take a crap at the same time. So let me show you what the problem is. Take a look. All right, when you try and close the door, push, push, lift and push. It's still not. It just, and then when you let go, it should come down kind of slow. I mean, something's wrong. Something's wrong with the gears. So I gotta take her apart and figure it out. I've already inspected. And again, I have no clue what I'm doing. But I've looked in there, I don't see anything, so I'm gonna pull it loose from the cabinetry a little bit so I can see. So step one, I need to undo these Phillips screws and pull it ever so gently out because there's plumbing involved. So, hold on. The screwdriver's too big. Hold on. How's work today?
Good. How does this work for you?
Pretty good. I spent 2.5 hours talking to one woman who started out yelling at me, and then we were like best buddies, and then at the end of the 2.5 hours, she was upset and escalated to manager anyway. I'm like, son of a bitch. I just spent 2.5 hours talking her off the ledge, and now we're right back on the ledge again. Awesome.
She probably came to a realization, wait, I didn't get what I wanted.
Exactly. Exactly.
Better get angry again.
Yep. That's exactly what happened. There we go. They probably tiled the damn thing in. Okay. Take that weight off. Okay. Spring's broken off. That would explain it. Oh, and there's a Roach Hotel down here too. All right, let me get it. Flashlight. I don't want to touch this stuff. Jeez. Ooh. Flashbacks of the knife and Aunt Cookie's foot. Okay. It appears as though that spring is still intact. And okay. So let's see here. Yeah, that spring still works. This one doesn't. Okay. Now I'm gonna put that back in there so it doesn't fall on my head. Let's see here. Oh, I love this thing. Oh, it's wonderful. There. Perfect. Alright, now, let's see, where does it hook in? Oh, okay. Let's see here. Plumbing, where's the plumbing? Flexible hosing, and I've got, how much extra? I've got, let's see, there's at least 6 or 8 inches of extra hosing, so I don't have to worry about that. So let's yank it out a little. Okay. What you getting stuck on? That getting stuck on that. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, cover your ears. There we go. All right, let's examine. So this side has this arm to the door, and it attaches to that spring down in there. If you can see that better, probably better this way. See? So that spring is attached to the angle arm on the door and to the bottom frame. And on this side is broken. Got some rust, so obviously a leaky dishwasher. And let's see here. So here's this arm. And I don't know where exactly it hooks in here, probably just one of these holes along here. I'm going to take a closer look at this other side, see how it all goes together. Okay, so we got that thing.
So it's the spring?
Yeah, the spring's broken.
It's broke?
Yeah, the spring's broke. It's rusted on this side. It must have had a leak in it, and it's rusted, and the spring broke. But I figure I can pull the spring apart and
twist it a little bit.
Yep, exactly. Just reuse it. I'm just looking to see how it fastens. Okay. So it's got that little plastic cap right here, and that thing goes through there and then that. Okay, so that would be.
Oh, you don't use that flashlight anymore.
Well, I need to be able to see what I'm doing. Would you like to give me a different one?
That's my good flashlight.
Okay, can I have a crappy one to use?
Well, use it this time, but after this, no more using my, because those batteries are like $30 in that.
That's fine. Then I need to just know where we keep a flashlight.
In this drawer.
Oh, okay. Okay. Do you want to shut that?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Gotta get right in the action, don't you? Yep. Okay. Woo, sorry. Okay. These are my helpers. This is why I need one of those, there. Okay. Let's see here. And I forgot to even say in Brandy's video when she said what's the most important tool for diamond painting? These, because without them I couldn't see anything. Alright, so let's take a look here. So we have this little hook, and we have this little spring, and I wish I had a stand. Okay, that goes on there. I can see that. Okay, got it. Alright, so this is going to go right here, just like that. Oops, I keep hitting the volume. There we go. I've got it attached now to that, but this part's broken. So I'm going to use some pliers, pull that out, and reattach. And then I'm going to check the other side to see where exactly they reattach. Like an angle, on a fulcrum, on a lever, on a, yeah, okay, whatever. It's way back there. So they have these riveted holes. If you can see that. And it looks like it is through the 1, 2, 3, 4th hole back. I know you can't see. Sorry. You know, motion sick. I'm doing the best I can here. Alright, it is. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying, but it looks like it's about 4 holes back is where they actually attach the spring from the indentation right there. So you need to figure out where it is on this side. Come on, Jasmine. You gotta get right in there, don't you? There you go. Can you see now? There we go. Okay, so I can see how far back it needs to go. Now, I'm going to get this as close as I can because the shorter the spring, the harder it's going to be for me to yank that thing back and attach it on. I'm going to start by attaching it at that end first and pull this way and on. Because there's no way in hell I'm doing it the other way around. So we need to go stretch this out and create a new hook on the end. And then we can attach it. So let's go do that. Okay. Let me make sure they're not having a personal discussion. No, we're good. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna hang you off of this little here. Ashtray, you don't have to sit in the ashtray. Okay. And now here's my spring. You know, I'm gonna need a couple pliers. Okay. And he actually has a vise over here. Put one end in a vise. So I'm going to stick one end in there. So I'll leave it recording. You can do that. Okay. might be interesting. I don't even know where it is. Where is it? Oh, it's over there. Okay.
Well, okay, let's go. You got it?
I'm working on it, honey. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was the dishwasher fixed.
You want me to unbend it for you?
Nope. But thank you.
When you're done packing, you just the kitchen garbage you just put out in the empty it out.
I did the first one. I'll do the second one when I'm done. Yes. Yeah, but I emptied one.
Okay, because tomorrow's garbage pickup day.
Yep, I emptied one already. I'll do the other one when I'm done. Really hot in here. That's a little rusty right there. I don't want that to just snap as soon as I'm done. I don't know if it's gonna last.
Ah, motherfucker.
What happened? You got something in your shoe?
I don't know if it's in my shoe or in the sock. And I need a tweezers. Okay, you took my really, really good pair that I've had for years and you kept them. And I told you not
I gave them back and I bought my own.
No,
you
I
can
don't.
have my new ones and I'll buy another pair, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I did give them back.
Because I get little metal slivers.
Yep, I'll
in my feet.
give you my pair, okay?
Mm-hmm. I had a nice pair with
Yep, I know, and that's why I went out and got some, but you can have mine. There we go. I think that's just going to break right off. Let's just get rid of it now. Yeah. right. So there was a rusted part, and I broke it off where the rust ended, and I had to use 2 pairs of needle nose pliers because, you know, the spring has nowhere to grip it. And shove it in there and peel it apart. And this holding it in my place for me. So let's go try and install it now. There we go. Stuff with us just in case. Oh, come on. There's a pair right there I could have used. Alright, whatever. I don't need 3 pair. I don't think. Let's see. Other things. Just trying to think if I need to extend it at all. If I have something. Little chain. But we'll try this. See if we can stretch it. Do I have the little white thing in my hand? No, I need this. I almost forgot this part. Alright, I'm like covered in sweat now. Yeah. Uber sweaty. It's hot in Florida. Okay, come on, Jess. Come on. Alright, here we go. Whew, you know you're working hard when your underwear is all sweaty. Okay. TMI. Alright. Now I'm gonna hook my newly bent spring through that 4th hole, and then I'll put the white plastic thing on, and I brought pliers to try and stretch it back over here. So I don't know how well this is going to work with the camera. We'll try it. I'm going to have to flip you. Hold on. Okay. So gross. I just can't even think about cleaning this too. So disgusting. Okay, let's see. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4th hole. Okay, now this little plastic doohickey. Let's see here. Is it the same on both sides? It angles. Yes, it appears that it is symmetrical. So I am going to hook one side through my spring, and then the other side. Oh, that was easy. It works. It's like super easy. Hold on, let me show you. I thought it was gonna be really hard because the spring was shorter, but it just, I think I have it backward. Hold on. Let me flip it around once, because there's a plastic thing inside that's angled. There we go. Okay, that's in. Alright, let's try out the door, see if it works. Oh, there we go. Look at that. No more wham! Okay, perfect. Now I gotta just put it back in place. Let's see here. Come on, clip in. Lever doesn't ever want to. Come on. There. Okay. I'm going to push this back in and then put it back together again. So that's here. You want to stare at the bunk underneath here? Okay. Seriously, I need to like get really foam set. I have all those foam stands and I never have them with me when I'm trying to do something. So, okay, I'm going to push this back in. Okay. Now, I'm not sure exactly how far. I'm going to just line it up to where the screws used to be. So those, if you can see it right there, see the screw hole? I'm just going to put it right back where it was. There's the screw. hole. Sorry, there we go. Don't over tighten, this is fiberboard, you'll just rip right through it. Okay. And the other screw. And the other hole. Right there. There we go. Now, let's see how it works. Still like a piece of shit. Okay. Damn it. This thing's a piece of crap now. What's wrong with it? Let's see. Maybe this is bent. I don't know. Or it could be in the handle. I don't know if there's something wrong in there. Let's look at it. Gotta figure out how it works first. Okay, stop that. Alright, I'm going to set you down because, again, I'm getting irritated with one hand. There we go. That shouldn't be necessary. It's ridiculous. I wonder if it's because the seal is loose here. Let's try that. Push that down again. Let's see here. Seal. It's disgusting. So gross. Alright, let's try that. Seems to me like this damn seal is too freaking long on this, and I'm going to cut that because it's just wrong. And it's pissing me off. Alright, so here's what I think might be part of the problem. This gasket seal, or whatever you call them, runs around, but on this side, it's got all this extra flopping around. And this was the side with the rust, so I'm thinking this is in the way of creating a nice tight water seal to keep the dishwasher from leaking all over hell. So this could be, you know, the end of me, but I'm cutting that off. There we go. And it's disgusting, so we don't even want to touch it with our hands. Put it in the garbage. There we go. So I don't know if that's what's keeping it from closing nicely, but let's try it. That's better. It's still not a one-handed mission, but it is if you slam it. We're going to call that a win. All right, now, in order to get it out, so I could see what I was doing, because it was getting caught up on this little electric part. It was getting caught on the tile. I am going to push it back further, and I believe I need to push it back further anyway, because my feet, I think, need to be off of the tile so that my front plate lines up with my base plate here. So I'm going to shove it back a little bit more until it drops down, if it will, and it won't. So we're going to just keep it there. Good enough for me. And I want to make sure my hoses aren't pinched back there. Grab a flashlight. Alright, let's see. see a hose, but is it pinched? Let me breathe right in your ear. It looks like it's okay. Yeah, I think we're okay. Yeah, I don't see anything pinched. I'm a little wondering why this wire just ends. That's not, normal to have this wire just ending with what appears to be a hunk of electrical tape on the end. It's probably the ground. Yeah, I've never seen a red ground wire, but anyway. I don't know. I don't understand what that's for. Typically a wire is supposed to go to something. I don't know. Regardless, let's put the front plate on. Alright, that's disgusting. I'm going to clean that first. Hold on. Alright. Now, I've got this thing that I pulled off. I didn't show you how I got it off. But, I was going to put Velcro on it. How nice. That's gross. I gotta clean that too. Ew. Ew. So gross. Ugh. Alright. Ew. Warning! Disconnect power at circuit fuse box before inspecting or servicing unit. I skipped that part. Don't do this at home without, professional supervision. There's the holes to line up. Where do you go? I gotta figure out how it goes in. It's got like a little looky do. Where does it go? Where does it go? Should have paid attention when you took it apart. There's this part. I don't know what that is yet. I gotta figure this out. Why? Where does it go? I feel like it goes up here. I feel like it goes up there. There's nothing to hook it to. Right, let me just climb up it. Get all up in there. Why Velcro? Velcro, why Velcro? What are you reason for Velcro? Sorry. Oh, sorry, face down. Okay. I don't even know what you've been looking at. I'm sorry. This way. You don't need glasses. Here, can you see? Okay, kind of. Do it again. There, okay. This has a piece of Velcro on it. I don't know why. Right here. I can't figure out how this went back together. Sorry. Okay. Jesus. Let's see. Seems to me like perhaps. Does it go this way? Oh, I betcha. Yep, I think I got it. I think this goes over these little legs. Is that possible? No, that's not. That is not possible. Could go that way. I suppose. And it seems like this should go in here. This bastard. That goes there and this goes here, but that makes no sense for the Velcro. I don't understand the fucking Velcro. Or that. It makes no sense. Please don't make me get out the instructions. I feel like it should just be, you know, there, that goes. Isn't this so good? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's where that goes. Okay, let's get one side in and then we'll worry about the other side. Okay. Let's see, where's my other screw? Oh, of course, now I can only find one screw. Let's come to the other one. Where'd it go? I only see one. I only see one. Don't tell anybody. I lost one. Where's the hole again? There. There we go. I don't know where the other screw went. Okay. I lost one somewhere. I don't know where it is. Let's see, is it on the floor here somewhere? That sucks. Alright, let's go try and find another one in the garage. Come on, let's go. Oh, wait on my shit. That's gonna. We'll try and find another little sheet metal screw. Okay. Let's turn that off. Put all my pliers away. And put my screwdrivers away. Alright, now let's see if we can find a sheet metal screw. Let's see here. Tell me if you see one. Ow. Ow. Bet you one of these will work. Try that. Okay, let's try this one. Hopefully it works. No, can't believe I lost that. I'm usually very careful about things like that. It's not under this towel or anything, is it? No. Okay. Dog ate it, right? Clean this up. Here it is. Oh, it's too big. Here's a smaller one. Alright, let's go get a smaller one. Son of a bitch. Oh, I'm sweating. I'm glowing. I'm not sweating. I'm glowing. I'm glowing. Okay. Find something smaller diameter. Alright, let's get this out here. Let's see. So this was too big. So we'll go with that. It's not a sheet metal screw though. Here we go. Let's try that one. That one? No, it's the same. We'll use this. Fuck it, it's all rusty anyway. Okay. Okay. If at first you don't succeed, call a repairman. Watch me screw. Okay. Ah, shit, I dropped it. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right. There we go. Okay. Let's see how she. Let's take her for a ride. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, let's put the rack back. Fucker. There. God dang it. I swear. This thing sucks. So here's the key. You gotta turn around, put your butt against it, and push. Push it that way. There. That's how it closes. It's perfectly fine. Yeah, that's good. That'll last at least another 6 months, hopefully. Okay. So, along with the coffee always being empty, toilet paper and paper towels too. So you don't need to watch this, but I just need to bitch. Okay. All right. So as you can see, it's warm, and manual labor makes it difficult, and the whole family has to leave the frickin', can you see it? Sliding door open. Right there. See it? Sliding doors open. The air conditioning on. Granted, it's late September, but it's still probably like high 80s today, and we're gonna leave that open. Come on, Jess, out of the closet. Come on. We all know you're, sexually fluid. Come on, out of the closet. Here we go. All right. Okay. All right. All I gotta say is at least I'm not the one cutting the grass. And I got the diamonds up there, but I keep looking for the wrong spot. But yeah, I'm not cutting the grass. So how much can I really complain? Because that's got to be miserable. I haven't had to cut the grass in many years. Also part of the reason why I put on 60 pounds. I don't have to do any physical labor anymore, really, unless you count fixing the dishwasher or the ice maker. I had to fix that the other day. But yeah, so that's how you delve into something that you don't know. You don't know how to fix it. Go slow, check it out, see how it works, give it a try, and then ask somebody else or call a repairman. But I don't like to pay for repairs because I'm a cheap ass. So hope you liked the video. Thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more kind of these things that I do around the house, fixing things. Women, you can do anything. Don't think otherwise. I had a college roommate who would call her fiance over to change a light bulb. I am not kidding. No. I'm not even talking like light bulb, like canned lights. No, I'm talking like this. We shared a apartment in college, and she would call her fiance over to change those light bulbs. Yeah. I've said it before. You should all know how to shut off the power to your house. You need to know how to shut off the water to each of your sinks, toilets, all that stuff. You need to know how to shut off the water. If you don't know how to do it there, you know how to shut it off to the house. You've got to know the basics. Because, no more damsel in distress crap, okay? So, let me know if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, because, I do it fairly frequently.
So, I hope you enjoyed learning how to fix your dishwasher door if the spring breaks. It all can't be fun and games, this life we live. See you later. Talk to you next time.
Oh, you're beautiful, honey. It's gorgeous.
They threw the flag after they saw the punch. So Martinez, why would you take off your helmet to yell at somebody? Well, that's automatic. You can't take off your helmet. That's right. But watch the punch here. Dolphins took a little swing. That's what precipitated the reaction from Martinez, and that was not seen by the officials. That's the best play of the day for the Bills. Trying to snap it quickly at the 41-yard line. This is the 2-minute warning.
2-minute warning.
So Buffalo actually catches a break.
Come on now, let's not put on the chapters the whole video. I'm trying to watch the football game.
I'm not stopping you.
I feel like I'm under the watchful eye of your cell phone.
No, honey, this is keeping me entertained. Otherwise, I'd be complaining.
I'll show you entertainment.
Are we going on a ride?
You are.
So let's go. Oh, wait, we gotta wait till halftime?
Yeah, there's only a minute 55 left in the quarter.
You know what that translates to in like human time? 30 minutes.
5 minutes.
30 minutes.
highlights.
It goes slow.
No, it doesn't. I've watched enough football.
Time flies when they're having fun.
I'm not.
7 straight incompletions now for Allen. Now when he had Foster.
Is it always about you?
Get him! Oh yeah, get him! Oh! Yes! Go! Go! All right.
Some people are just really weird.